Alright everybody, this is a Glock 22 40 cal, as you can see. Glock 22 40 caliber. And I'm going to show you a complete disassembly and reassembly, so if you're going to take it down for cleaning. First things first, always going to eject the mag. That's this button right here. Okay, no rounds in there. Doesn't mean the gun's not loaded, so never have your finger on the trigger. Usually you want to lock the slide open. And I usually do a quick visual, make sure there's no round in there. Then you're going to see these little tabs right here. Right here on this side, and right here on that side. You're going to pull those down. At the same time, kind of hold the slide. But you're going to do it after you've lowered the slide. So this is where a lot of people might accidentally hit their fingers. So you're going to pull the slide back. And at the same time, pull forward a little bit, and there you go. There's that cover. You're going to lay it down. Then you're going to take your slide. You're going to pull springs out, barrels out, and then you got your slide. So what I usually do here is you're going to take your white towel and you're going to try to get it so this is white with some dirt on it, but you don't want to get any dirt. You want to wipe it all the way down, make sure there's no dirt left up on your towel. Then from there you're going to add a little oil and you're going to grease and oil everything. Right now I'm just using FP10, which is shooter's choice, and you're just going to lightly put a little bit of lube on there. You don't want a lot because you don't want to be excessive. You just want enough to make sure it's all clean. Wipe it down. Put that piece aside. You're going to do the same thing with the barrel. Wipe it all down. And then there's a little wire brush that you can use, and you're going to clean the barrel. What you don't want is any friction, so you're going to go as many times as it takes to go up and down that barrel to where there's no friction. It just slides. And then you're going to put a little bit lube on there. Same exact thing. Keep going up and down it, and just make sure that it slides really, really easily. Then you're going to do the same thing with the spring. You're going to clean it. And then you're going to clean the inside here. Same exact thing. Take the widest part of your thing, wipe it down. All's good, and you don't want any residue. So as you can see, my guns are already clean. That is to ensure that your gun is not going to misfire. You don't want to have your gun and need it in the case of an emergency, or you're going to go hunting, whatever the scenario is, self-defense, and your gun jamming on you. So if you take care of your gun, it'll take care of you. You're going to slide your barrel back in. You want to make sure that it freely moves. Take your spring, make sure you got the right end. And there's a little groove back here. You're going to push your spring in, and you're going to push it in and push down, so that way it goes into that groove. And then it should lock, like so. And then as you can see, it's not falling out. Then you're going to reassemble your gun, line up everything on the back end there. And you're going to pull it all the way back. And you're going to do it a few times. Make sure it slides easy. And you're all good. And again, it is locked, loaded, ready to go. If you have ammunition, that's up to you. And that's how you are. That is your Glock 40 cal, which takes 40 caliber round. And here's a 40 caliber round compared to a 9mm round. So they're basically the same height almost. The only difference is you can see the diameter of a 9mm is smaller. There you go. 40 cal.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.